So we're taking a quick look at the McCook 15-piece knife set. These are high carbon stainless steel. The handle is a brushed stainless steel as well. Fully forged blades. It's got 6 4.5-inch steak knives, an 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 5-inch sentoku knife, 5.5-inch serrated utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. Also includes all-purpose shears and utility shears as well. There's also a built-in sharpener right there in the block. I actually just got these for my wife to upgrade from our older kitchen knives. Pretty nice block here. Appears to be real wood. Looks like they recommend hand washing these only. You can see each one has the McCook logo on one side of each knife. You can see there's a plastic tip on each knife, so it makes things a little safer to unbox. These actually look and feel really nice. I can see why these are so popular. They've also got a nice matte finish there on the handle to give you a little extra grip. One thing I like about the steak knives, you can see there's a lot of teeth on these, unlike our older knives, which are pretty dull by now. So hopefully these will last a while before they need sharpened. Here's a close-up of a couple knives just to give you a better look. Now for some reason they don't put the logo on the same side for each knife. It looks like there's plenty of space for the knives to go into the block, so they're easy to take in and out. Now it looks like you can switch some of these around. It's not like one knife only goes in one spot. Looks like the only thing there isn't a spot for is going to be the smaller scissors. Not really that big a deal though. Overall, really nice quality. The only thing I can see, it does look like there's a little scuff mark there on the middle knife here. I just got a meat and cheese gift set recently, so of course I had to test these knives out on that. And let me tell you, these things are super sharp. Just testing out the paring knife and steak knife, they cut through these like butter, and they even left cut marks on our wood cutting board. So I would be careful when using, and just realize you don't have to put much pressure on these to cut all the way through. So yeah, other than the small scuff mark on one of the knife handles, I think these are really good value for the price. Feels like good quality as well, and would definitely buy these again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.